Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something. It's FDA Better Sleep is an anti-snoring device. If you're having trouble sleeping, you get a better sleep with this. In my description, I will have a link in where to buy from Amazon. It's pretty cool. Check it out. First of all, you do have a manual on how to use it. The mouth guard for grinding of teeth, and the snoring thing. As you can see, you get a card and it comes in a little container just like this. Pretty cool. As you can see, these are the mouth guards. So there's people that grind their teeth while they sleep. Put this on, they won't grind it, won't defect the teeth anymore. And you have four different size of these. And these right here are plugged into your nose, so you have less snoring. It probably won't completely stop your snoring, but you have less. And there's some people that snores really loud, and this thing helps out a lot. And they have different sizes. Like I said, matters how big is your nostrils. You put them in, you fall asleep, and it should stop you from snoring very loud. And believe it or not, snoring is a cause of a lot of divorce too, and other stuff. Is sometimes gets very annoying. So if I was you, I'll buy one of these, try it out. It should work. Mouth guard, if you're grinding your teeth a lot, make sure you buy this kit right here. Put in your mouth, stop grinding, stop messing up your teeth. The kit is absolutely amazing. It's very cheap. What can be better? Very cheap, very cheap. Well, like and subscribe. Hopefully this helped you to choose this product for anti-snoring and for grinding of teeth. Thanks.